The key with resilience involves flexibility. If we're too fixed and rigid in how we think life should be, how we think work should be, how we think being a vet or a vet tech or a vet nurse should be, our rules for that are really, really rigid. It's very easy for them to get broken. And when uncertainty comes along and life is uncertain, vet medicine is uncertain, that can disintegrate to a pile of rubble very, very quickly with serious consequences.
It means meeting the challenges of mental health and wellbeing and the absolute necessity to bring it into our work environment. It means everyone in the tent to work on these solutions of the complex issues our industry face. And it means getting ready and getting real about self-care and compassion being the fuel which will start your veterinary engine every morning so we can continue to serve.
It's the same as if you had a set of Legos and you gave it to 10 different people to free build. Most likely there'd be some similarities in what was built, but there'd certainly be some outliers. And that's how you get the best problem solving. Same number of variables, same givens, same set of Legos, but the end point, the vision, how they solved the problem and what they made was different and potentially better than what you had thought of.